Mass Academy, Class 9th Mathematics, Unit 4, Exercise 4.4. Here we will learn how to find HCF by long division method. If you see the till end of this video, you will understand very well how to find. Here we have two expression, and if you see their degree, both degrees are same because having degree 3. One its coefficient is having power same. When power are same, then we will see the coefficient. One is having coefficient 5 and second one is having 1. The one which is having coefficient 5x cube, that will be our dividend, and second one will be our divisor. So x cube plus x square plus 7x plus 2 is our divisor, and second one is our dividend. Now x cube can catch 5x cube 5 times. Simply multiply 5 by the divisor, then it comes 5x cube. 5 multiplied by 6, it comes 30x square. 5 multiplied by 7, it comes 35, and 5 multiplied by 2, 35x. 5 multiplied by 2, it comes plus 10. After that, we are going to change the sign in denominator. Wherever we see plus, we'll make it minus, and first term got cancelled because their base and coefficient are same, power opposite, and plus 56 square minus 30x square, it comes actually the 26 but written 16, minus plus 50x minus 35, it comes plus 15, and minus 1 minus 10, it comes minus 11. Second dividend divisor we are making is our dividend because its power is higher than remainder, so we have written it x cube plus x square plus 7x plus 2. Now how many times x square 26 square can catch x cube? That is not possible since we do not make the coefficient same. As remember, that is 26. Now we are multiplying the dividend by 26. As we multiply the dividend by 26, it comes 26x cube plus 26 multiplied by 6, it comes plus 156 x square. 26 multiplied by 7, it comes 182, and 26 multiplied by 2, it comes 52. Now we reached in that position where we can divide it easily. Divisor can catch dividend how many times? Simply x time. X multiplied by 20x square, it comes 26x cube, and x multiplied by 15x, it comes 15x square, and similarly x multiplied by minus 11, it comes minus 11x. After this, our next step will be to change the sign, so minus, minus, and minus, because totally we can see there just a below term sign we are going to change to. After that, 26x cube, 26x cube got cancelled, and plus 156x square minus 15, it comes 141x square. 182x plus 11x, it comes 193x, and plus 52 will bring down as well. Now again we see whether this power of the x square same, but coefficient problem. 26 cannot catch 141, that's sure. Then we must multiply the remainder by 26 to make it able enough that divisor can be divided easily. Now we are dividing multiplying by 26 the remainder in order to avoid a fraction. Now 26 multiply 141, it comes 366 x cube, and similarly 26 multiply by 193, it comes 50. We are using simple calculator, and it is also allowed to use calculator. 26 multiply by 193, it comes 5018x, and 26 multiplied by 52, it comes 1352. After that, we know 26x square can catch this one. Simply multiply by 141, as we already multiply 26 by 141, that 3666 came. Now we can multiply it by 141 multiplied by 26 x square, it comes 3666 x square. 141 multiplied by 15x, it comes plus 2115x, and similarly 141 multiplied by minus 11, it comes minus 1551. Is we know after that we are going to change the signs are changed, and first term got cancel because coefficient same, sign opposite, variable also same, base same. Now 5018 minus 2115, left what? 2903 x, it comes. And last, plus 1352 plus 1551, it comes 2903 also, 2903. Now both remaining terms are same here. It means both are x coefficient and that constant. We can take out 2903 is a common, and first term x left, second term plus 1 left. Now 2903 will be left here. After that we are going to take that divisor, 26x square plus 15x minus 11 is a dividend, and we are writing it to make it next coming dividend. And this is the rule. Since we do not get zero remainder, we will keep it on the rule, and x plus 1 right now is our remainder. This will be our next coming divisor. Now x can catch 26x square 20x times. Multiplying 20x by x, it comes 26x square, and 20x multiplied by 1, it comes plus 26x. After that we are changing the sign. First terms coefficient and base are same, sign opposite, cancel. Plus 15x minus 26x, it comes, take out 15 from 26, 11 minus 11x, and that 11x also will bring down. Now x can catch minus 11x minus 11 times. Multiplying minus 11 by x, it comes minus 11x. Multiply minus x by 1, minus 11 itself comes. Next, to change the signs, minus gets plus, minus gets plus. Minus 11x minus 11x got cancel, 11x 11 minus 11 minus 11 also cancel, remainder will be 0. The last divisor that make the remainder 0, that is x plus 1, and our HCF is x plus 1. So this is our HCF, that is x plus 1. So question is over. It means this is the HCF of these both expression. If you like this video, kindly subscribe and share to the related student. Thank